In today's video, as you could see from the title, we'll be doing this super easy install with this gorgeous bob wig from Sunber Hair. I've worked with Sunber several times before. I've never had a problem with their wigs. Laces are always on point, so easy to match with my skin tone, and I know it will for your skin tone as well. So before I get into the video, this wig is their 14-inch straight hair bob. It was a side part, that's how it came, and this is just what I did with it. I did, like, you know, a little tuck behind the ear. I'm contemplating if I want to change it to a middle part or just leave it at the side part, but either way it's cute. And if you'd like to purchase, the links will be in the description box to do so, so you could definitely go on Sunber's website and shop their gorgeous, super affordable wigs. And without further ado, let's jump into the tutorial so I can show y'all how I got this wig to be 100% glueless, no glue, nothing. So let's get into the tutorial. So this wig from Sunber is actually a 14-inch straight hair bob. It was sent to me in a side part. This specific part, I did no changes to it. This is literally how it came. And obviously you guys saw I had to just pluck it a little. It was super pre-plucked. I didn't have to do too much. I probably plucked it for about 5 minutes and that was it. So this is definitely super beginner friendly and I definitely recommend you purchasing if you want something quick, easy to put on after installing. This is definitely the way to go. It is 100% glueless, so you can take it off at night, put it right back on.